All right, everybody, here's your core bites number 139 this morning. The first one says, what are the factors of 87? So the only two numbers you can actually multiply together to get 87 would be the 3 and the 29. We know this because if you multiply them together, 3 times 29, you would get 87. If you do any of these other numbers times 3, you're not going to get that total. Okay? For the second one, you're looking at the model. You've got to figure out how many blocks there are. So a cube, this would equal 1,000, and then you have 2 ones. So this would equal 2,002. For number 3, we're using our fractions and decimals. So this is a new one. It's in the thousandths place. So you would say 0, decimal point. That'd be your tenths, hundredths, and then thousandths. Okay? For the next one, we're going to use the protractor. So just imagine we had a protractor. If you have a straight edge, that would be great, but you may just have to wing it. So we know that 90 degrees is a right angle, so it's a little bit more than that. So if we have our baseline, then we know 90 degrees would be right here. So 100 degrees would just be a little bit to the left of that 90 degrees. Okay? If you do have a protractor, though, yes, definitely try to use it and measure it out. And then for the last one, you do see a right angle. So what type of lines are represented? These would be perpendicular. Whew, excuse me. All right, guys, so do your best. Let us know if you have questions.